Hello Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make my February thank you notes. My focal paper this month will be on the Golden Honey designer paper, and this is a free Sale-a-Bration item. And you'll notice on this designer paper, one side is got the specialty part, it's the gold foil. So let me just show you all the pieces in this collection. So we have the black and gold, we got the bees, and then we got some white and gold. Aren't they beautiful? And then on the opposite side, it's all black and white. So it's such beautiful designer paper. And I wanted to focus on the gold side. So let me show you the cards up close again. So here we are, the gold, which I'm calling the white honeycomb. And then of course the bees, the black striped, and then the black honeycomb. And then of course I'm bringing in the gold glimmer paper and the gold foil sheet. And then you'll notice this is the first time I've ever used a solid color, which is the basic black, for all of my 4 thank you notes. So I just really think that that black really pops the designer paper and then also the gold accents. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So here are the pieces I'm going to use. These are my tokens for this month, for February. And my tokens are from my FSM club, which stands for Frequent Stamper Miles Club. And for every $50 you spend, not only are you going to be able to get a Sale-a-Bration item this month and through the month of March, but you also get a token for every $50. And when you collect 10 tokens, you can get a free stamp set from me. Any stamp set you want, except for the Hostess and Sale-a-Bration items, because I can't purchase those. All right, let's start with the base. The Whisper White is cut at 2 3/4 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. The basic black is cut at 2 1/2 by 4. Then the designer paper, I just love this designer paper, it's so pretty. So this piece is cut at 2 1/4 by 2. And then a piece of your gold glimmer paper, and this is a 1/2 inch by 3 1/2. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some stamping first. Let me grab some Whisper White and my Memento ink. Okay, so we're going to use the Bloom and Grow stamp set, and I'm using this image right here. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now on the case, it looks fairly small, but you can see right here, it's not that small. So this is also available in a bundle where you can save 10%, and it's with the Budding Blooms dies. So you can purchase those together or individually. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. We're going to take our 2-inch punch. Punch that out. Then I have some gold foil sheet, and I'm going to use the 2 1/4 inch circle punch. So let's go ahead and put our card together. I'm going to put 2 dimensionals on the back side of the greeting. Pop this up on the gold foil sheet. I'm going to put snail on the back of this. And that's it. There's my February thank you notes. I love them. All right, so let me show you the other 3. So here's the stripes, and then the white honeycomb, and then the bees. So cute. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.